Hello my friends from the biker world. Today, in this fantastic scenario, I'm going to bring you a different video. Today we're going to talk about the Chigee AIO-5 Lite. But, what is it? You ask. So, very briefly, this is the next revolution of Android Auto and CarPlay for our motorcycles. But it's much more than that. Stay tuned to find out after the introduction. Well my friends, Chigee is a premium brand of products for the motorcycling world. They range from cell phone holders with wireless charging, tire pressure and temperature sensors, USB hubs, etc. Everything with above average quality and almost all with a point that distinguishes them from the competition. But the star of today's video is the Chigee AIO-5 Lite. Well, this is basically Android Auto and CarPlay for our motorcycles, with the particularity that it has two cameras. One front and one rear to film our rides. With the rear camera, combined with an artificial intelligence system, it can give us a very useful function, which is the blind spot monitoring system. I'm curious to test this function. Furthermore, it also includes a sentry system so that when we stop the motorcycle, if it feels any vibration or if someone touches on the motorcycle, the cameras will automatically start recording. It also has, optionally, temperature and tire pressure control sensors. There is also another option, a remote control, to be installed on the motorcycle's handle to control the device's main functions. Well, but let's open the box. Let's see what's inside. The box has a very sober design, with a lot of quality. This box is not paper thin, this box is quite robust. Here we have some indications of the main functions of the device, namely, cell phone mirroring, sentry mode, tire pressure, Android Auto and CarPlay, blind spot monitoring, etc. Well, but let's open the box. Well, here are some instructions on how to turn it on the first time and synchronize it with the cell phone. We have the instruction manual. We have the AIO-5 Lite and the two cameras. Our device. It is of good quality. It is not plastic, that is, an alloy, an aluminum metal alloy. We have both cameras. Cameras with Sony's IMX307 sensor and film in full HD 1080p. We still have two boxes. Now, let's see what they bring. The box A. Well, bring us an external GPS antenna, the cable to connect the device to the battery motorcycle. We have a gift from Chigee. Well, I want to thank Chigee in advance for giving us this unit to test and do our review. Thank you very much, Chigee. We also have the other box, which brings us all the necessary cables, a sticker, some tapes to secure the cables. It brings the support to attach it to the motorcycle, and some tools. Well, the device shows excellent build quality. We can see here that it already has vibration dampers to give us a very clear image while driving. I won't be able to connect it now, because we can't connect it to the bike right now. But later we will make another video demonstrating all the device features. We also have the sensors here. The tire pressure sensors. Front wheel sensor and rear wheel sensor, which will then be paired with the Chigee AIO-5 Lite, and we will be able to see the pressure of the tires, the temperature, that sort of thing. We have our remote control to install on the handle of the motorcycle so that we can control the main functions of the device without taking our hands off the handlebars. Let's open the box. We can see that everything is very well packaged. Very good construction quality. We want to highlight that both the Chigee AIO-5 Lite and the cameras are all waterproof. They all have IP67 protection, so you can ride in the rain without fear that it won't get damaged. We can see that all the accessories, the AIO-5 Lite, the cameras, everything points to excellent quality. I'm very curious to see this here mounted on the bike. If you have any questions about any feature, I'll leave the links below. Leave in the comments what you want to see analyzed in the next video where we will demonstrate this all in operation. So, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks in advance to Chigee once again. And see you soon.